Hello everyone, how you doing? This is Nima here for Nutrition with Nima. Today, I'm gonna talk about proteins and protein powder mostly. Okay, there are different types of protein powders. When you go to a supplement shop or supermarket, you can see them. At pharmacies, you can see them. You see some of them are written WPI, some of them hydrolyzed protein powder, and WPC. They are the most common ones. We also see vegan plant-based protein powders. So, which one is the best? Well, basically, when you're choosing a supplement, any type of supplement, the quality and the quantity of what you get is the most important thing. So what does that mean? It means that when you read the ingredients, it gives you a percentage, right? So a 90% of something should come from for example, you buy a protein powder, 90% of the whole ingredients should come from protein. Should be protein. The rest would be fillers, preservatives, and other stuff. That would be the ideal type of protein that you get, or any other supplement, right? Whether which type is the best depends on your preference, your goals, and the bioavailability. Um, Proteins are made of amino acids, right? Amino acids is the base of the proteins, and our body breaks protein to amino acids, then it uses it. Um, so WPC, whey protein concentrate, comes from milk cow mostly. It's complete protein. It's got all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs. But it's been less processed, and your body takes more time to absorb it. Then we go to WPI, which is whey protein isolate, which has gone through a little bit of processing. So your body the amino acids and the chains have been broken a little bit, so your body doesn't use as much time as it does concentrate to break the chains, and it absorbs it, right? So WPC, it absorbs quickly, PI quicker than WPC. Then you got whey protein hydrolyzed. Due to being put under pressure, heat, and process, the chain amino acids has been broken. They have lower chains. Your body doesn't take that much time to absorb it, but it might not react to it as well as the other two. But it's still, you cannot say that it's worse than the others or better than the others. It depends on your goal. Plant proteins usually are not complete. So when you get it from the whole foods, you should always mix it with other types of protein. For example, macaroni, mac, and cheese. It makes a complete protein. Mac on its own, nope. Plain macaroni is not a complete protein. It does have a protein, but it's not a complete protein. It doesn't give you all essential amino acids. Or beans and whole grain toast complete each other. So the protein powder usually plant proteins are usually pea protein and brown rice protein, the mixture of these two. You also get hemp protein, which is actually one of the complete plant-based protein. Well, not complete. It's mostly albumin protein, which you find it in egg whites. It absorbs really quickly in your body, and the whole amount of protein gets absorbed. Albumin, I mean, not the hemp, or the egg white protein. Your body absorbs it all, but the hemp protein is still under research, so there's not enough evidence to show what it does. The complete protein powder that there is, and also you can get it from the whole food, is soy protein, like in tofu or soy products. Soy is one of the very few plant-based proteins that give you the whole essential amino acids and that your body can utilize. There are some concerns about what it might do to your body because of the estrogen that it produces, but still there are not enough evidence to show that. So in moderation and in the minimum serving size, it's still safe to consume. Then we have quinoa. Quinoa is one of the, again, few plant complete proteins. I personally, I'm saying me, haven't seen the quinoa protein powders anywhere, but as a whole food, it's a very good replacement for rice and carbohydrates. Why that is it's because like I said, a complete protein. Also, it's a whole grain, so it gives your body the fiber it needs, and also keeps you fuller and the carbohydrates that your body needs, the energy. So when you choosing or buying protein powder or having a whole food, make sure that you keep in mind your protein intake, your protein intake, and the type of protein that you prefer. Okay, if you're a vegan, you of course need a vegan protein powder and gonna use vegan proteins. Do not go on a vegan diet or vegetarian diet because you feel like it, and do not do it without actually researching and knowing what you're doing, because you might hurt your body if you don't give your body the sufficient amount of proteins and amino acids. Your body function stops working, and you'll find a whole pile of issues. So do everyone a favor, and mostly do yourself a favor. Consult with a nutritionist, not me, not like your gym trainer. Find someone who has a whole knowledge and can actually help you to reach your goals and help you to not get hurt, because nutrition is one of the most important things in our lives. So love your body, nourish it, give it the nutrients it needs, give it the protein requirement that it needs, and make sure to follow us, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget that. Thank you for listening.